Want to learn how to turn your camcorder into a webcam? Stay tuned. We'll come back with more information on it right after this. Hello and welcome back to TV34 Multimedia Productions. This is Tony, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about turning your camcorder into a webcam. There's been times where certain camcorders did not work as far as using them as a webcam because of the technical specs that you have to go in and change to make sure that it works as a webcam. One of my favorite camcorders is the Canon Vixia. There are several different models available and they really work well, and I've talked about them a lot. And the one thing that I do like about them is that they have the adapters where you can plug in a microphone and a headphone jack. That way you can really monitor the quality of the audio and video that you're getting with the camcorder. So that's one of the main features that I like about using these camcorders, and not to mention that the quality is really good. It really is. But what we're doing today, we're going to turn that particular the Canon Vixia camcorder into a webcam. If you can see that I have on my monitor, my laptop right now is my regular webcam that's on the laptop. So what we're going to do is use what's called an HDMI video capture device. It's just about the size of a flash drive. We're going to use that to turn our camcorder into our regular webcam, where we can get much better audio and video quality when you're streaming live on Facebook or YouTube, anything like that. The video quality is going to be much better. So you'll be able to, like what I'm doing now, is plug in a wireless microphone where your audio is good and you get a really good video signal as well using your camcorder. So basically all you're going to do is take one of these devices, the HDMI capture device, connect that up to your camcorder via HDMI cable. I got the input going into this HDMI device. Just plug that right in. Output coming from my camcorder. Just turn that on. And I'm just going to plug it directly into an open USB device on the laptop. Plug that right in, and it automatically recognizes it. And what I can do is just, with this particular program that I'm using right now, the camera mode, I can just change it to the HDMI, and my camcorder is now my HDMI USB camera. And I can just turn around and just let you take a look at it, and you can see that I'm live now on using my Canon Vixia camcorder, and we can stream live, like I said, to Facebook, YouTube, using your camcorder, where you get much better quality audio and video using this device. So it's just that simple to use. It's plug and play. You don't have to plug in any drivers or anything like that. Just plug it right in, and just that quick. This particular device is less than $30 depending on where you get it from. Amazon has them on sale. I got one for $19. There's one for like $22, $25, but they're less than $30. Comes with an extra cable if you need that, but it's very simple to use, and you can turn again your camcorder into a much better quality recording device or video device where you can live stream via YouTube or Facebook, and it just makes your quality so much better. Not only the quality of the audio, but the quality of the video. $20 for a device like this, it can change everything and make your videos so much better, and give you much better exposure to what you're trying to accomplish. Stay tuned. We'll have more information on I'll put a link on this particular device that I use, and show you where you can go pick it up online or Amazon, like I said, for $20. But continue to follow us along, and we'll have more information on some more devices that we're going to be using, and we're going to work with this to see if we can also set it up to use this with our multicam video switcher, and we're going to see how that works as well. Maybe we can switch live from multicams using this device as well. So we'll have that information coming for you real soon. Stay tuned. We hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, don't forget to drop us a line. Continue to like, subscribe, and follow us along, and we have more information for you coming real soon.